Hi there guys, welcome back to ShopShipShake with Gemma. Today I'm going to show you guys how to shop wigs by the 5 questions, so let's check it out. Please follow us on all the social, they're gonna be all here at ShopShipShake and subscribe to our channel. In 2019, China's wig exports accounted for 8% of global market share, while the wig is produced by Xuchang. The wig capital of China accounted for 30% of exports. While cooperating with many hair factories and as many as hair products with wholesale price you want are available from us. So we are your best choice for buying affordable hair from China. As you can see, we are on ShopShipShake homepage. Once you are here, the first thing you're gonna do is go up here and click on login. Then you can log into your ShopShipShake account. Or if you don't have an existing ShopShipShake account, you can always create one by clicking this create button and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you successfully created the account, you can go back to the login page and using your email ID and password. Now you are successfully logged into your ShopShipShake account. So let's go for our ShopShipShake online shopping. You can find many products on ShopShipShake. You can search for a product by going through the category. Example, if you're looking for Brazilian hair, probably you gonna want to go to human hair section, and here you will find this human hair. Click it and we can see all the available hair. Not my favorite way to search for product on ShopShipShake is by the search bar. Simply type in your product name or category, then click on search, and also the picture search with the camera logo on the right side. So let's upload the product picture we have. Here is the search result, and this is the product that I'm looking for. You may find some items with different price tag. In that case, I recommend to check the product selling. This product got the best selling. Actually, the selling is not indicating the product value. Instead, it is indicating the sale trustworthy. Once you decide which product you want to buy, just click on it and it will redirect to the product individual page. And here you can find the title and the product pictures. Example, the human hair is showing on the title. And it might not be human hair if it's showing something else like this one, synthetic hair instead of human hair. Another simple way is check on the options. There are different inches with different prices, but the synthetic hair might got same price with different inches. For example, the Brazilian human straight hair range in price, with the wave bundles starting at about 83 rands. Clothes going up from 125 rands. 3 bundles plus 1 clothes was starting at about 374 rands. There are also synthetic hair with good quality ones. Most of them are readily made wigs. Price range is from 200 to 300 rands. Let's check this one with most buyers. As you can see, the price are seen for all the main options. If your product avail in different options, you can select them from here as well. Right next to it, you will find product details. You can read them as well for better understanding for what you can expect from this product. And here, the product review from customers that already bought this product. I suggest you to read the comments and reviews to know what others can say about this and the experience about this product, and it will give you more confidence on your back. Guys, please note that this part I circled is always bundle, and this part start with 4 times 4 is for closure. Each price is for 1. Let's add the 3 bundles and 1 closure to our cart. And so that's all here. Once you are ready, you can click on buy all and pay buttons, recharge and pay. If you like this video, please leave a like and comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.